Hello everybody, welcome to GADAC DIY. This video is very different and special. Ta-da! This idea involves two very important people in my life. One is my grandmother and the other one is my daughter.
Hello everyone!
She's going to help me in fixing these old toys which I found while cleaning my grandma's closet. These are at least 50 to 60 years old and involves a lot of intricate artwork. So thought why to throw this away and instead invited my daughter and then we both are going to refurbish this into something new. Some of the toys in this basket are quite damaged but some are in pretty good shape. To start with, we are going to do a sorting and then try to see which all can be fixed. We are going to save the fixable toys in this green basket. Alright, let's see what we can do with this. What about this chariot? Oh, it is already in very good shape.
Amma, I think a head's missing.
Oh yes.
Here it is.
Oh, super, you got it. That's nice. Okay, it is easily fixable. Even though it is little dusty, I think we can easily give a makeover to this. Oh, a tail is missing. Still, we can fix it. Here you go.
Amma, what about this well?
Oh yeah, that's nice. Isn't this supposed to be a bucket?
Let me search for it. Ah, here it is.
Oh, that's a very cute pot. Oh sure, we are going to give a beautiful makeover for this.
Okay, now that we have everything, let's keep it in our green basket.
We also discarded some of the very damaged toys and also collected few more wooden and plastic toys,
For which we will be giving makeovers later on. So these are ready for our refurbishment.
To start with, we are going to snip off the worn-off pieces of the toy.
This will help us while we are cleaning. We're doing the same for the well.
What should we do next?
It's washi-washi time!
Hi.
It's completely clean now! Amma, can we fix this one first?
Yes, sure Apu, look at this, so cute.
I really like the pot, so small.
Yeah, see the intricate design of the pulley system, they have done a nice job. To add some pebble-like texture to this well, we are going to start adding this adray clay.
We will add the link in the description. For this, I am using a roller which I had from one of my kitchen sets. It makes it much easier to roll the clay. Now we are using a palette knife to trim the edges.
Use some water to smoothen the surface. Now adding a pebble-like texture using the same palette knife.
Adding water makes it much easier to carve.
You can also use any sharp item to do this carving. Now the complete carving is done.
We need to wait for it to dry for 24 hours. We found this black plastic tray with the rest of the toys.
Let's make this as a base of the well.
Now we are using air dry clay to cover the base. Now I am cutting off the extra edges.
We are adding some grooves again for the base.
Amma, let me try.
Sure, give it a shot.
Now we're going to use some ice cream sticks. Chop, chop, chop.
Now joining two halves to make it a V shape.
Pasting it around a small cardboard strip.
Roof is done.
I think it's time for a little magic trick. 1, 2, 3.
Haha, that's nice. Masking all the edges with the wooden sticks.
Oh yay! The air dry clay is dry now.
Painting the roof with acrylic red color. For the grooves of the base, we are going to add a bronze acrylic paint. I'll share the link for these paints in the description below.
Now we're adding a green coat. This will give a natural grass effect.
For the pebble effect, giving a bronze coat to the well. Now adding a gold accent to the grooves.
And I'm painting the cute little pot.
Other areas, we are painting it with black.
Amma, it's dry.
Let's add some tile-like texture to this roof so that it will look realistic. All the parts are done.
Now we just need to fix them together.
We are going to use this thin aluminum wire to fix the pulley. I'm just using the existing holes to fix this aluminum wire. I really appreciate and admire the intricate artwork of these artisans. How beautifully they have created these small, beautiful artifacts.
As the next step, we are going to fix the pot. And now we're sticking everything together.
It's done. I really like the way it has turned out.
Your Yes, Amma, it's really cute and very realistic. I even played with it a bit outside. It was really fun.
Hope you guys like this idea.
Let us know your thoughts in the comment section.
Let's create a
Crafty world together.
Now, for the first step, let's put the head back on.
If you're new to our channel, do subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to get notified of our videos weekly.
We're going to start painting the horses with white acrylic paint.
Hello horsies, I hope you like your new color.
Now, giving a makeover to the chariot with green and red acrylic colors. If you want to know the details of the paint I have used, you can check the description below.
Adding gold to the wheels.
And peach to the faces.
Now we're painting the base completely in black.
Adding hooves.
And a black outfit for the driver. We also gave a teal and purple outfit for the passengers.
For the saddle, we're going to use this felt cloth and add some bling to it to make it look cute. I really had fun working with my daughter in this project. Did you guys enjoy watching us doing this refurbishment? Let me know in the comment section.
Adding green acrylic stickers.
Going to add nose straps for these horses using these beads. Our channel has a huge collection of DIY home decor ideas.
Do check it out.
Adding more decorative beads for the chariot to make it look glam. Using black thread, we are going to add the tail for the horses. I think we are done.
Wait, Amma, you forgot the facial features.
Oh yeah, let's do it now.
Adding cute nostrils. Now it's time for the eyes.
Let's make the driver come to life.
It's done!
Now it's very colorful and turned out to be beautiful. In the coming weeks, we'll be doing a refurbishment for the other wooden toys and the plastic toys. Did you guys like these ideas?
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Are you guys planning to do a refurbishment for your old toys? After watching this video, let us know.
Do share this video with your friends and family. Let's create a
Crafty world together.